to Gianti's kitchen. So I made this yam pottage or asaro, and I used 2 ingredients that is not so common when you are making asaro. A friend of mine uses periwinkle or snail, I can't remember. So please continue watching. I've got a pot on the stove. Add sufficient palm oil. I'm heating up the palm oil. Once it's heated, I'll add the chopped onions. I'm gonna fry it up for some time. I have here tomatoes, peppers, and onions, which I've blended. It's not so smooth. I'm gonna pour it inside, and it has not been boiled before. Give it a good stir. I'll add the seasoning cubes. Mix it properly. I'm going to cover it and allow it to boil hard. So it is boiling. I'm going to add the yam. I've cut the yam into cubes or whatever shape this is. I'm going to add this meat stock to it. If you don't have meat stock, good old water will do. And then you add enough, maybe just to cover it. And it depends on how thick you want it to be. It's the assorted meat, mainly boiled liver and a little bit of intestine. So I'm going to add it to the yam pottage. It's like halfway done. That's why I added the boiled meat. Next thing I'm going to add now is the periwinkle. The periwinkle has been washed in salty water. So I'll add in the periwinkle. It shouldn't take much time again to cook. Make sure the periwinkle enters inside the liquid. It has that taste, not lying on top of it. Almost forgot that salt and more periwinkle. It is done, so I'm gonna mash some and I'll leave some. So you can make everything into a mash if you want to. So I'll give it a good stir, and then it's time to add the final ingredients. Ugu leaves or any other vegetable you want to use, spinach, you name it, just add it to it. So give it a very good mix. Overcook the vegetables, the steam should do the rest of the work. So I'll just cover it, turn off the heat, and that's all.